Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Perpetual and thank you so much for joining me today as I make a sweet and sour chicken sauce with a little bit of spice. Come along and let's get started. If you're not a fan of spicy food, feel free to take out all the red chili flakes and the cayenne pepper from this recipe. For the peppers, guys, you can use any combination that you have. This is what I had on hand, so this is what I'm using today. I just love the smell of freshly grated garlic in the sauce. And our sweet and sour chicken is ready to be served. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and please remember to subscribe. And of course, when you try this recipe out, let me know in the comment section. I'll see you again real soon. Take care.